Now you try to reduce the following fractions to their lowest term. First fraction is 2600 over 7800. And then the second fraction is 39 over 9. Feel free to pause the video and try this yourself. Then you can compare your answer to the answer we get at the end of this video. Solution. To the first fraction, 2600 over 7800. When we divide numerator and denominator by 2, we would arrive at 1300 for numerator, and for the denominator we arrive at 3900. Now let's continue. 1300 divided by 2 over 3900 divided by 2. And then this would give us, okay, in 13 that is 6, remember 1, in 10 that is 5, that's 650 over 1950. 650 over 1950. Now let's continue. 650 divided by 2, 1950 divided by 2. What do we get this time? 325. And then here we get 9 and then in 15 is 7 and then 5. Alright, so now we have 325 over 975. Let's pick it from there. 325 over 975. Common factor would be 5. And in 325, we'll get 5 in 32, that is 6, remember 2. Then bring the two together as 25. In 25, that is 5 over, now, to 975. 5 in 9, that's 1, remember 4. In 47, that's 9, remember 2. In 25, that's 5. So we have 195. Let's continue and then divide by 5 again. Divided by 5, and then 195 divided by 5. Now 65 divided by 5. 5 and 6, that's 1, remember 1. In 15, that's 3, that's 13. And then 5 in 195. In 19 is 3, remember 4. Now bring the 4 here, that's 45. In 45, that is 9. So we have 13 over 39. The final factor we can find here is 13. So we then go 13 divided by 13 and then 39 divided by 39. And this would give us 1 over 3. And like that we have solved question 1. For question 2, we have 39 over 9. And when we look at this, a common factor is 3. So divide this by 3, divide this by 3 as well. And then 3 in 39, we have 13 over 3. Now, this is an improper fraction. And since we are to bring it to its lowest term, the lowest term should be a mixed fraction. So we try to bring this to mixed fraction by dividing 13 by 3. And 3 will go in 13 how many times? 3 in 13, that is 4 times. Remember 1. So 4 whole number 1 over 3. And this is how we bring fractions to their lowest term. Thank you.